Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Pinterest last name on your PC following the new update. It's a simple process, but since Pinterest recently adjusted their interface, you might find the steps a bit different from before. So, let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and go to LinkedIn. Yes, you heard that right. The process now involves LinkedIn because of the new integration between Pinterest and LinkedIn profiles for name management. Once you're logged into LinkedIn, look to the left side menu and find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings, so click on it to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page. Here, you need to find and select the Edit Profile option. This is where you can update your personal information, including your last name. Now simply locate the field for your last name and enter the new name you want to use on Pinterest. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any mistakes. After you've updated your last name, scroll down and click the Save button to confirm the changes. Once saved, your new last name will be reflected on your Pinterest account thanks to the synchronization with LinkedIn. This update streamlines profile management and keeps your professional and social media identities consistent. And that's it. Changing your Pinterest last name on PC has never been easier with this new update. Just remember to use LinkedIn as the starting point, and you'll have your profile updated in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow social media tutorials. See you next time.